Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the most beautiful celebration of love, joy, and unity. I am your host for today, and my name is MC May. I am truly honored to be a part of this very special occasion, as we gathered here to celebrate the love story of two amazing people, Janine and Kevs. Today is not just a ceremony. It is the beginning of a new chapter, filled with shared dreams, laughter, and a lifetime of togetherness. First and foremost, let's give a warm round of applause to our newlyweds. We also want to extend our deepest gratitude to the parents, sponsors, family, and friends who traveled from near and far to witness and bless this union. We thank you very much for your presence. To our principal sponsors, thank you for your support and guidance, and they are also deeply appreciated. To the entourage, you were all stunning and dignified today. Thank you for being part of this beautiful journey to Janine and Kevs. Let me share a little glimpse of this love story. They say love comes in the most unexpected way. And that's true for Janine and Kevs. Ladies and gentlemen, ating pakinggan ang kwentong pag-ibig ni Kevs and Janine.
Ito yung love story namin ni Janine. Nagkakilala na kaibigan ko at kaibigan din. Doon kami nagkwentuhan, nagtanungan, nakulitan, hanggang sa na-curious siya sa akin. Gusto niya daw ako makita. Ayun, binigay ko naman yung Facebook ko, tinawagan niya ako at nakita niya ako. Doon nagsimula yung palagayan namin ng loob. Nag-usap kami hanggang sa sinabi ko na sa kanya na niligawan ko na siya. Ayun, pumayag siya hanggang sa after 2 weeks to 3 weeks, napasagot ko naman siya na naging kami. And then dumaan yung mga months na 1 to 3 months na okay lang kami. Goods lang ha, masaya lang. Yung mga 4-5, yan men, nagkakaroon na ng tampuan, away, ganyan, mga toyo na kailangan mo suyuin. Hindi naman naging hadlang at na kaya na namin yung mga panahon na yon. Ang pinakamahirap lang namin na naging sitwasyon is yung time difference namin dalawa. Na baliktad talaga. Ako yung tulog, siya yung gising. Ako yung may trabaho, siya naman yung tulog. Doon lang, doon kami nahirapan. Pero katagalan, nasanay na rin kami dahil open naman kami sa isa't isa. Yan, sa bawat update, about ginagawa, kahit na isang chat, okay na. Iniintindi namin yung bawat isa. Hanggang sa natapos na yung kontrata niya sa Kuwait. After 8 months na LDR kami at umuwi na siya ng Pinas. At sinundo ko siya sa airport. Nasundo ko na siya sa airport. Ayun, diniretso ko sa bahay at nakita niya na at namit niya na yung mga parents ko. At nagsama kami in 1 year na nagkakilala kami nang hindi lang sa opo, sa personal. At talagang dito ko masasabing siya na talaga yung gusto kong makasama panghabang buhay. At tandaan nyo, may forever sa opo, kaso nga lang talagang konti sila. Ayun lang ang simpleng istorya namin ni Janine. Kaya hanggang ngayon nasa opo kami, para lang sa mga kaibigan at nakasama ng love story namin. Ayun lang.
They faced trials, celebrated victories, and grew together in love. And now, here they are, making the ultimate promise to be each other's partner for life. Marriage is not just a bond between two people. It's a sacred partnership rooted in love, respect, trust, and faith. As we celebrate today, let us be reminded what brings us here is not only the grand setup or elegant dresses, but the commitment of two hearts choosing each other for every single day. Let us toast to the love that inspires us, to the journey that continues, and to the lifetime they will build together. As we move forward with our reception, prepare your hearts and appetites, because we have a delightful program lined up for you, with performances, games, messages, and of course, a celebration filled with laughter, love, and music. Janine and Kevs, I would like to let you know na meron kaming munting sorpresa para lamang sa inyo. Sana ay inyong magustuhan dahil deserve ninyong dalawa ang happiness and love from all of us.
I would like to greet Kebs and Janine for hindi ko alam kung anong event pinapabati lang sila eh. So yun, just a few words or sentences para kay Janine at kay Kebs. As part of your titos here in Opo, sana magtagal kayo lalo, even though na dito kayo nagkakilala at ngayon magkasama na kayo. Ipagpatuloy nyo lang kung ano yung nasimulan nyo at sana maging magandang halimbawa kayo sa mga couple na nandito rin sa OFO. So yun lang, good luck sa inyo kung ano man yung struggle nyo at maging matatag kayo. Looking forward na makasama ko kayo at yun, especially in your big day na yun nga, maging ninong nyo rin in real life. Ayun, basta maraming salamat, mag-iingat kayo palagi. Andito lang naman din ako, mga pamilya ng Heroes, Rospam, at ito ba yung mga kasapi ng Oppo. Ayun, God bless.
To my ate at kuya, first of all, I want to congratulate both of you for your wedding day. I am so grateful that I am part of this special day of your life. I am the one that I witnessed of your relationship here in OVO, even in real life. How you love each other and your relationship more stronger. I am so proud of you. My message is to love each other unconditionally, inspire others who is in a relationship too. You are going to write the next chapter of your life story together and I cannot wait to read them. Congratulations to beautiful couple, my ate and kuya. Wishing you all a wonderful journey as you build your next life together. All the best. Love you. Mwah.
Hello. Sorry for this. It's like a bit kind of noisy, no? I would like to have this message to a specific couple. Dear my beloved brother Kevs, congratulations on your union as a husband and wife. Today is not just a celebration of love, but a powerful testimony of faith, endurance, and God's grace in your lives. You have walked through storms that could have broken you, but instead, they strengthened you. You stood together, held fast to each other, and never let go of your faith. This marriage is not just the start of something new. It's a continuation of a beautiful story written by God Himself. As you begin this new chapter, may your home be built on Christ, the solid rock. When challenges arise, may you remember how far you've already come and that God's hand has never left your side. May your love deepen, your joy overflow, and your faith continue to the anchor of your relationship. You are living proof that love rooted in faith can overcome anything. We celebrate with you, pray for you, and rejoice with you in what's still to come. With all our love and blessings, and may God bless you. This is your brother, Vincenzo Casano. Ciao!
Hi po, Tita Janine at Tito Babes. Ito lang po ang masasabi ko sa inyo. I hope na mas patibayan nyo ang relasyon nyo. Kung may awayan o tampuhan, pag-usapan nyo ng maayos. Huwag agad pairalin ang toyo. Love you both.
What a big shout out sa ang mga best couple dyan, Baby Janine and Baby Kev. Sobrang saludo ang mami sa inyo, sa pagmamahalan nyo, sa naging love story nyo, nag-umpisa sa Oppo, LDR, and naging sa personal man. Sobrang nagmahalan talaga kayo and nagpatunay na talagang may true love sa Oppo. And sobrang ayun, stay strong lang. Andito lang ang mami palagi. Saksi ako sa pagmamahalan yung dalawa through ups and downs, through joy and tears, hanggang sa mga pa-surprise dyan, and sa pagiging toyo ni Baby Janine, sobrang toyo and na kayang-kayang adobohin ng Baby Kids. Sobrang proud ako sa inyong dalawa and patuloy lang. And I'm hoping na kayo na talaga, and I'm waiting for my apo. Sobrang mahal ko kayo and palagi andito lang ang mami. Love you.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Magpapahuli din ba sa tingin ninyo ang ating pinakamagandang bride? Ladies and gentlemen, ating pakinggan ang mensahe ng pinakamamahal na nag-iisang RC agent na si Mr. Kevs. Walang iba, hindi si Miss Janine.
Message to my special and effortless boyfriend. Yam, thank you sa lahat. Sobrang thankful ako dumating ka sa amin ng mga bata. Hindi ka man ang totoong tatay nila pero nagpapakatatay ka. Sorry, Yam. May time na sobrang tuyuin ako. Bigla na lang ako, wala sa mo. Kulang lang siguro sa bembang. Pero until now, kinakaya mo pa rin ang ugali ko. Yam, sorry. May time na nag-o-overthink ka. Kala mo iiwan or kasama ko ex ko kung hindi ako makatawag sa'yo. Naku, Yam, hindi yun mangyayari. Nasa tamang tao na ako. Ikaw yun, Yam ko. Malayo man tayo sa isa't isa, lagi mo tandaan. Mahal na mahal kita. Sa'yo ko lang naramdaman ang totoong pagpapahalaga at pagmamahal na buong buo. Yung hindi panunumbat ano ang nakaraan. Sorry, Yam. Alam ko every time na tinutuyo ako, gusto mo na sumuko sa pagkatuyo ko. Kasi palit-ulit na love. Pero kahit ganun pa man, pinipili mo pa rin ang pagmamahal at piniintindi mo pa rin ako. Thank you sa lahat, Yam ko. See you soon sa July. Mag-aawa lang tayo, never itadami away. Stay strong sa atin. More away lang. I love you, Yam ko.
Let's give a round of applause to Janine and Kevs. And to everyone here tonight, thank you for being witnesses to this magical moment. Your presence adds warmth and joy to this already wonderful day. Once again, congratulations to our beautiful couple. Let us celebrate their love, full of hearts and joyful spirits. This is your host, MC May, and together, let's make this day unforgettable. Maraming salamat, and let's enjoy this moment. Thank you.